What's up everyone, just giving a little rundown on Friday's trading there, NFP week. Obviously non-farm payroll is quite a volatile day if you aren't aware. To be honest, it's not really a day that you should be trading at all, but I seen a good few opportunities there. Most of my trading took place post these news releases here. We had a employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, NFP, and unemployment rate all at 8:30 New York local time. So I'm just going to bring it over to my chart here. So 8:30 is this area here. We had NFP release, and as you can see, it didn't really do much in terms of like back and forth. Like when NFP really goes, like it goes up, down, sideways, left, right, you name it. But look, I was eyeing up the charts anyways. I wasn't planning on taking any trades, but this is what I was seeing. So we had our news release here at 8:30. The market came down here. Then once it traded down to this level here, it slowly traded away from there. And as you can see here, we left the buy side resting above here. So the market, I fucking hate when this happens. Alright, give me 2 seconds there. So as you can see, we had buy side liquidity resting right above this area here. The market came up, swept that level of liquidity resting there, came down, swept the lows here. As you can see, it's just, what's the low on that candle? 154.96. The low on this candle, 154.96.5. So it just tagged it. Then it came up, traded into this area here. I'm going to turn the magnet back on there. Traded up into this level here, which is a fair value gap. And I sold off from that level. And as you can see, it made a strong willingness to get down to the sell steps, obviously resting under here. I'm going to put trend on there just for illustration purposes. So as you can see, the market literally tagged under that level. Now I don't know why, but it's not showing my executions here. I did have executions. I'm just going to show here. So where I was selling, I sold in here. Right in that level there. I sold right in there, and once I put obviously my sell position on there, I'd closed it here underneath the sell, as obviously liquidity was swept. So when I did that, okay, the market came back up, swept the liquidity resting here. So what when seeing that, we're waiting for the market structure shift. So in turn, when the market came up here, returned back, it returned into these two down close candles, which is a bullish order block. These two candles here, that's a bullish order block. You're counting that as one continuous candle. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call there. So when the market basically came down to that level, tagged that, I bought here with the intention of coming to sweep up above here. The real shift in market structure occurred right as price broke through that level. That was the confirmation there. Where I was aiming for was this. So when I was placing my trade, I had this in mind. So I see the way there was this strong movement away, that's my impulse swing. So I'm going to use that as a measure. So my official target was 2 standard deviations, but I'm actually doing a top step evaluation at the minute. So with the top step account, funded account, I can't earn like more than 50% of my profit target in one go. So where I actually closed out the trade was about here, right as that hit right there. So return up into this area here, becoming a balanced price range. So as price came up, tap that, came back one more time into here. I'm gonna get rid of that there. Get rid of that. Top of this candle there, that is a bullish breaker. So if a high, low, higher high, that acted as a bullish breaker. allowing the price to trade up. And again, I was aiming for obviously 2 standard deviations, but like I said, I can't obviously hold the position because I'm doing the evaluation at the minute, and then I'll just have to make more profit, which there's no point in doing. So in turn, where I was officially aiming for, this here, if you note there, I have it noted as Friday's opening the 21st of the 7th, so it's 21st of July, right there. That was at New York time, midnight, on Friday's open. I delineated that note, or that line on my chart, and what I was also seeing as the aim for where price was going to look up into. If you see here, we have a low, a high, and a lower low. That is a bearish breaker. So what you want to do is you want to take a measure of that full range of that down close candle there. The last up close candle before the up move there is where you want to have your eyes on. But as you can see here, it did in fact nip to the tick, came straight in, tapped into that, sold off, and as it did that, we were approaching the lunch hour. So this was obviously on the lunch, so between 12 and half 1, tied in there. That's not like high probability trading in lunch hour. ICT recommends, obviously there is trades there though. I've seen him do it. So like if it's there, it's there. Why not take it? I just wasn't on the chart at the minute, so I didn't do anything here. Had a quick glance on the chart. Then after about half 1, I was probably about 2ish before I got even a look at the chart. And as you can see here, we have our liquidity step there. So right there, we have our shift in market structure. Price came back up into here. Okay, take it up there. This is a 3-minute chart now. We have that there, and look at the bodies. Even on the 3-minute, I'll show. Look at the bodies not closing above that. It's all just wicked, tanked off, and taking out this liquidity also. Rest them right there. When I did that, then we're obviously coming into the PM trading session. Now keep in mind, all of these trades that I took was after the news release. If you're in before the news release, you're asking for trouble. Genuinely. Sometimes you can use news as sort of like how do I say it, like a rocket launcher basically. You're in it pre the news release, and then when the news release comes out, bang, straight away your profit target's hit, all's good, happy days, go do whatever you want. But a lot of times I don't really trade before the news. I'll always let the news come in, because the news tends to just lead manipulation to the market. It's either seeking stops or it's making a run on liquidity, one or the other, if I'm correct in saying that. But yeah, manipulation just comes into the market around news releases. I like to wait after and see what the market makers do. So as you can see here, we're in the afternoon session here, and just I was in looking here, right? I was here looking at the chart. If you look away there, we have that big strong jump down there, and this that's a breakaway gap right there, because the market broke away fast, quick. So what I did was I sold literally as it was breaking away. I just sold there inside that level with my stop loss basic. So essentially this is what my position would look like, because I'm not expecting the market to come back up and to deliver in that area again. Why would it? You know, it's got a role to fulfill. And as you can see, after that, obviously market came up into this area here. That old low, that's real support turned resistance. See that? The market remembered that low, and it came up, tapped into that beautifully. And if you look right here, we have a fair value gap. What this here is an institutional order flow entry job, and if you had to put a sell there, market straight away, straight off the bat. Here we have a bearish order block, there, and I had another position in here, so my position was here, stopped there. I left it there, didn't bother entering because again, actually no, I think I did, I'm not sure, no, I think I did, but I didn't sell here anyways. My aim for here was right over here. If you take a look here, there is shitloads of liquidity resting right under that level. So that was the official target. I really wanted to see the market though come under here. See the way you have this low here, rejection block right there, market came up, traded away, and if you notice obviously here, I'm actually just going to use a rectangle. We have equal lows. So my profit target was obviously under those lows. That's exactly where I was aiming for. This I knew to take, obviously this was inside of this area here, this is where I wanted the market to go. Ultimately though, this is where I wanted it to really see, I wanted it to hit that red line, take out the equal lows there, and in turn, as you can see here, market respected that line beautifully right there. And what I did for my profit target was I took a range of, was it this? I think it was this low. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. I took a measure of this range here up to this high, and it gave me these these levels here: half standard deviation, 1 deviation, 1.5 deviations, 2 standard deviations, 2.5 standard deviations, and ultimately 3 standard deviations. So profit target, profit target. I realistically was just sold here, and then I'm nearly sure I closed out my position just about here. I closed it out. As you can see, there's my little X. That was the target. I wanted it to see it travel from here, obviously down to that. It's a nice bit of movement there, and then turn the market did it. So obviously once this happened, it was 3 o'clock then. We had 1 more hour trading on the Friday, and the market just slowly bam, hit that level, and then just eked off that level and traded away. I wish I could show the executions. I don't know why it's not showing. As you can see, it's on here. I'm gonna show you there. Doesn't show me there, but as you can see, I only have a little bit more to reach the 9k profit target on my funded account, and I have passed. I'm probably going to remove that though. But anyways, I hope you liked the video and enjoyed. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, and until next time, peace. Just closing up on top of the video here, just wanted to show that I did do this on my Top Step account. Obviously I couldn't show the executions there, but it is what it is. It is a reset. I did get my last one up about 7.5 as well, currently where I am, and revenge trading got the better of me, and yeah, I guess you understand what happened next. And yeah, I just said fuck, I'll do another challenge reset. It's 50 quid, I'm not really bothered about it. But yeah, you can see there, currently the profit target now I have to get is 9k plus an added $1,165, given the fact that the last 2 days, it was actually that Friday, with those trades, I had let them run for a bit, and obviously because it went over the 50% of my profit target, I in turn have to get more now. It's only about 2.5k, I'm not really bothered. But yeah, as you can see there, 2 days I've had is here, and as you can see there, bam, August 4th and August 3rd. So yeah, now keep in mind, these days are days where you'd really want to be fine-tuned in terms of the market. They're very volatile. Again, if I am putting anything in as a trade, I'm keeping a low risk, 0.5%, 1%, and I'm doing a lot of the trade post news, because then manipulation has already carried into the market essentially. But yeah, so yeah, peace. Officially now I'm gonna end the video, so enjoy.